I ride to identify the reason for most sequels. I find it's all lethal with everybody together, and nothing could ever paint a better picture than the cheddar. But the heart of a street soul is the hardest to defeat. We ride the neighborhood rhythm and ride on our own streets, and grind to the dope beats, which gives us some motivation to pull ourselves together for a better situation. Too much is so get wrong, eventually sits long, inevitable downfall, just crashing the ground walls. But making it all happen gives you a feeling of adrenaline, the kind of vibe that you and the party could crash the ceiling with. The bona fide beginning for that feel good shit. We getting down together but still that real hood shit. But this is for everybody, so homies grab on a hobby. You do the damn thing and I'ma keep rocking this party. But the music is rocking, baby, don't you stop it. Got the neighborhood rocking to the beat that's dropping. Got a feeling that's good enough, people just can't knock it. Cause we living it up, feeling the good, the rhythm just. But the music is rocking, baby, don't you stop it. Got the neighborhood rocking to the beat that's dropping. Got a feeling that's good enough, people just can't knock it. Cause we living it up, feeling the good, so baby just. It's all about for the reason we all live it our own ways. Excited by the movement that we're making our own days. Pursuing these grown ways with everybody stomping to the groove and the music we come to call hip-hop. And I'ma rock it for the people that are true and dedicated, not for the weak-hearted and the minds that are manipulated. The tracks are complicated, but it's all done with a reason to compile combatants and make way for a new season. I'm a master of releasing on some shit that you can feel, igniting the switchboards, we're rocking the mixed fours. I'm getting so get yours, I make the rhythm rebel and give a presence in the street so everybody can tell. We shake it high on the scale and give a Colorado Richter while we raising the night. Grateful the fact that I was liquor and an attitude that's wicked with a spot where we can kick it together, enjoying everything we do cause it's explicit. I'ma ride on every visit and make the venue hot and involve everybody, cause sometimes this is all we got. Cause we only get one shot to live a life really hot, and I promise we'll give it to you, so this fight will never stop.
I need a burrito.